Your kids are only young once. Make sure you're making life-changing memories with your kin by traveling the world. According to Travel + Leisure, here are 5 family-friendly tours worth the money.
Coinage. Life well spent. Presented by Geico.
REI Adventures isn't just a clothing brand. Sports-centric families will enjoy these physically intense adventures. Most tours focus on excursions like biking, hiking, kayaking, rafting, swimming, and camping. View all nature has to offer starting at $700 per person. Austin Adventures was founded by a single father who wanted to teach his daughter about the world. The company offers tours through 17 different countries and engages children on geology, geography, and social studies. Small groups led by local guides start at $3,500 per person. Classic Journeys features 27 family programs which promise cultural immersion agendas. At night, children can attend kid-oriented activities while parents go on wine tastings or try gourmet food. Travel around the world while maintaining your sanity starting from $4,700 per person. Thompson Family Adventures will make you feel like you're in an Indiana Jones movie. Exotic locations like Thailand or Tanzania offer wild outdoor itineraries that can accommodate all family members, including grandma. All activities are kid-friendly, engaging, and start at $5,300 per person. Lindblad Expeditions partnered with National Geographic to offer picture-perfect vacations. Each trip comes with an expedition team of researchers, photographers, and filmmakers who will enhance your family's experience. Listen to whales or test out a new underwater camera starting from $12,900 per person. Start packing. You and your family are about to have the vacation of a lifetime.
Coinage. Life well spent. Presented by Geico.